Why Trump's geopolitical brickmanship has hit a wall with Iran? Hi, I'm Aman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 3 p.m. Iraq has imported 10 million barrels of oil in April via the Strait of Hormuz, citing the country's new oil minister Bassem Mohammad. Mohammad says Iraq plans to engage with the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC) to boost the country's production and export capacity, adding that Baghdad aims to reach a production capacity of 5 million barrels per day. Iran's UN envoy says Hormuz fallout responsibility lies with initiators of war. The current situation in the Strait of Hormuz and its global economic repercussions are solely the responsibility of those who launched war against Iran and their regional partners, says Iran's permanent representative to the United Nations. Sri Lanka raises tax on imported cars as Middle East crisis bites. Sri Lanka has slapped a 50% surcharge on custom duties on vehicles in a bid to discourage imports and ease currency pressure stemming from the Middle East conflict. Uzbek Foreign Minister appreciates Pakistan's role in mediating for regional peace security. Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar spoke with Uzbekistan Foreign Minister. The Foreign Office said the two leaders exchanged views on bilateral and multilateral matters of mutual interest, including Pak-Uzbek relations and regional developments. It said Trump's geopolitical brickmanship has hit a wall with Iran. During his first year back in office, United States President Donald Trump's blustery negotiating style won him concessions from the countries on issues ranging from tariffs to armed conflict. But with Iran, that same brand of coercive diplomacy marked by public threats, insults and ultimatums seems to have hit a wall and may be undermining his own efforts to end the war that has shaken the global economy. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.